Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C17, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Train on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding. Push the pin in, and the tray will pop out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards, separate ones, and 1 SD card. So I'm going to place one of each. There we go. Now when it comes down to the SIM card, you can place it on either tray, it does not really matter. From here, carefully insert it back into your device. And both of the cards should start working automatically. So you can see the SIM card is already being detected by the fact that it's bringing up the enter pin for SIM 2. So I'm going to do that to unlock it. And let's see if we have any kind of pop-up regarding our SD card. It looks like we don't, so we should probably be able to find some kind of info about it in settings. And you can see it right over here. So the card that I have inserted does have 1 gig available space, which does seem accurate. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.